this is literally very difficult. Too easy. Hello!
Guys, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and I woke up taking a small nap. I haven't slept. I'm trying to get sleep from 2 o'clock. I could not. I was taking a small nap. We are taking a ride today and we are going one of the best sunrise trekking destination, which is on the outskirts of Bangalore. Earlier I have been to this trekking point but could not make it to the top of the hill because that time we didn't know that we have to make a ticket to track to this hill. So this time we have made the tickets and along with me, my sister Poonam and one of my YouTuber friends Santosh is joining, and he will join us from Hyderabad. Many of my friends have told me why hadn't you completed it. I did not complete it because I wanted to go in the winter season and winter has come. This is the right time to go to Skandagiri Hill because of the misty, cloudy atmosphere you will find there. तो चलो अभी चलते हैं. पूनम सो रही है अभी, उसको भी उठाता हूँ मैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रेश लग रहा हूँ. I know. Let me go and get fresh and get ready.
A few moments later.
We are having tea now. Morning को चाय और चाय के साथ toast. The route that we are taking to Skandagiri Hill is the same route which we go through Nandi Hill. In spite of taking left to the Nandi Hill, we go straight on the highway and reach the Kalwara village. Very good morning, very early good morning, and welcome back to the channel Bike My Buddy, and it's me, Sagar Lama, with me, Poonam. What's up, कैसे हो कतो and namaskar to all. We are almost ready. मुझे बस अपना riding jacket पहनना है और then we are good to go. चलो. Hey doggy, good morning. पूरा ओस लगा हुआ था, पूछना जरूरी है. ओ भाई कोडी, हाय हाँ एपड़े जीवा. So he is the YouTuber friend. His name is Santosh. ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा है, गाँव में ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है मुझे. So we are very close to Skandagiri Hill. So it is 3.8 kilometers, 10 minutes it will take another. So we have to take right from here. This is the way, and very chilling. My legs are freezed completely. Oh, chilling. क्या भैया बुकिंग आगे दिया? हाँ बुकिंग है. बाइक को आगे पार्क नहीं करेंगे? और कोई जा रहे हैं कि नहीं ऊपर? है गए ना. We were stopped here and we have parked our bike here on the road side. So we are not allowed to take our bike to the near temple. Last time when we came, parked our bike near temple. The road construction is going on, so they do not allow us. So usually whoever come to this hill, they usually start the trekking at 4 o'clock, most of them. So we also thought that to start early from home by 3 o'clock and reach here by 4 o'clock or 4:30 and start the trek. But that didn't happen. So सामने मंदिर है, बस पहुँच रहे. So last time when we came, we parked our bike backside. This temple is Papagni temple. फिलहाल अभी अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, हम चलेंगे ट्रैक स्टार्ट पॉइंट की तरफ. Well, with me, Santosh. So he's also from Odisha, and this is our first meeting. Yeah. Somehow we got connected
through Instagram. I want to come to Skandagiri, okay, for a trek. When I searched for a Google, I found his YouTube video, okay. I saw a full video, then I got to know he disappointed me.
That time we could not, but this time we are going to finish this. So if you guys want to come here, you have to get a ticket first. Go to myecotrip.com and get ticket. The price of the ticket will be 250 rupees per person. So signboard has given, so you have to take left from here. Vehicles not allowed. Time is 6:15. So this is the place where I last time came, and right there I came and then I returned back because I didn't have a ticket. This is the actual trekking start point. From here the views are already fantastic. This is sunrise point, and we all three are going to miss the sunrise because the sun is already coming up. It's good that there are signage are given that tell you that how you can go. तो ये साइन दिया गया है ऊपर जाने के लिए. And look at the trail. I think sun is going to come from there. Sun is about to come. This stretch was little difficult because the trail thoda steep hai. People who are adventurous, they like steep trails like me. So if you get this steep trail, then you need to have a good shoes with you. Trekking shoes अच्छा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है जो आपको proper grip दे, so that you can climb easily on such trails. So look at this trail. We have got one shed and we are going to take some rest there. This is natural shed, so we are going to sit there for some time. What a view from here. Look at this, so beautiful. And look at the cloud. It's almost on the hill. Don't know how much we have come. I think half of the way we have crossed. So by the way, I'll tell you, one side you have to walk around 4.5 to 5 kilometer almost. So two way it is like 9 to 10 kilometer.
Wow,
It's echoing. Hello. So from here onwards, I think the trail is getting little difficult. It's quite steep. So the more we're getting up, higher the wind blow. This is literally very difficult. This particular stretch is Poonam, look at this. Poonam, त्यहाँ देखिन त्यो easy छ. Now it is difficult to control breath. Good thing is cool breeze, man. So that is quite relaxing. Look at this fog. It's literally awesome. तेज का हवा चल रहा है और कड़क ठंड लग रहा है यहाँ पर. द हाइट ऑफ दिस हिल इज 1450 meter. If I that convert into feet, that would be around 4600 feet, which is quite a high. Look at this. So the trail is it's getting difficult. It's windy, it's cold, and I'm enjoying the sunlight. So morning sunlight will not trouble you much, but the same sunlight in the afternoon will be very scorching. So finally we reached the hilltop. Finally we made it. So after walking for almost 3 hours and 4.5 kilometers, we reached the hilltop. So यहाँ से नंदी हिल जो है देख सकते हो. So this hill is a Nandi hill. Right, this one is the Nandi hill. We could see the fort, the ruined fort, one behind me. I think this looks like a temple, I guess. Let's go there and check it out. So we'll remove our shoes and we'll go. तो चल रहा है ना के बाद कौन सा चल चल. So it's a Shiva temple. तो अभी भूख लग रहा है और हम अभी खाने के लिए बैठे हैं. तो दिखाते हैं क्या क्या लेकर आए हैं. खाने में क्या मिलेगा, बस इतना ही है कि खाते हैं और इसे खाने के बाद फिर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. This arrangement is for monkeys. If you have food with you, they're going to chase you. So this will help to keep them away from you. This is our symbol that we conquered this fort. This looks like another structure. This is only the remains of the fort. Skandagiri is located only 3 km from Chikaballapur district and around 70 km from Bangalore. Skandagiri hill is also known as Kalavara Betta and sometimes is also known as Kalavar Durga. This fort was built by Tipu Sultan and then it was left abandoned after Tipu Sultan lost the Anglo-Mysore war with British. That was in 1759, I guess. Since then this fort was left out and today when you come you will find nothing but the remains of the fort. While climbing the hill, I got to know one thing, that this is not just going to test your physical ability but also your mental strongness. So when I saw this flag from the down, I felt we reached the top. But it is not that. It is not that. You have to climb another 150 meters from this point. That's it. So now we are going back. It was a wonderful experience in Skandagiri Hill. One of the best destinations for sunrise point. Try to come as early as possible so that you can see the sunrise. The surrounding will be covered with fog. That would give you a different experience altogether. With Santosh, this is my first time and maybe in future we'll do some more trekking or some more adventure trip. He's also a YouTuber and he has his channel. His channel name is
Being SD.
So please visit his channel and do support his videos as well.
You know, he's exploring every corner of Bangalore. So do subscribe. We need love, yeah, nothing else. We need your more love.
With my experience, I will suggest bring enough water,
Get some energy bars or cookies,
get some food to eat.
and most importantly, trekking shoes. My shoes is not good enough to track this hill. I slipped few times. My other friend also slipped few times.
Yes, yes.
If you have not come here, then please come and explore it.
The time is 11:30 almost and we have spent almost 6 hours to 7 hours here. Okay, so we are going down and time to close this vlog.
अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग अच्छा लगता हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और जो नए हैं इसे प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.
So thanks for making me part of your day. See you in my next vlog. Until then, live a beautiful life, ride safe and make memories. Bye bye. मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसको कि अंदर जा, भगवान का दर्शन कर. ये बोल रही कि नहा ही नहीं है. नहा ही नहीं है. क्या नहाना जरूरी है? मन साफ होना चाहिए. मन साफ होना चाहिए. नहाना जरूरी नहीं है.